Hello, my name is Brian Benton and I'm going to be your instructor for this training course on AutoCAD. This course is designed for beginners. Maybe you've dabbled in AutoCAD before, or perhaps it's been a while since you've used it. Either way, the course assumes that you know nothing about AutoCAD, so don't worry. Each course builds on the previous one and several chapters have projects at the end of them. Many of those projects pick up where the last one ended off in a final project where you will use all of the skills that you've learned to create a 2D dimensional drawing of a small movie theater. Over the course of the next few hours, I'm going to show you how to create CAD drawings from scratch, how to edit them, print them, and make digital versions that you can email to clients anywhere across the globe. Throughout this course, I will show you tips and tricks that will help you to be more efficient in AutoCAD. I will demonstrate and explain good CAD practices and methods. Not only will you learn how to draw in CAD, but you'll learn how to manage the internal workings of your files. CAD is more than just lines and text, it's data. Some of it is geometric and some of it is numeric. In this course, you will learn how to draw and how to draw accurately. This course will give you a good foundation of skills that you'll be able to take along with you and into many different design fields. There are many projects throughout this course that build upon each other. In the end, you're going to take these projects and use them for a final project. This video will show you how to start a file from scratch, what tools to use and how to use them. We'll also look at something called blocks that allow you to recreate similar objects over and over again without ever having to redraw them. You'll get to learn how to use different editing tools that will allow you to change the line work in your drawings. Text and dimensions are also key points in AutoCAD that we will cover. I will show you how to manage their many settings so that you can annotate your drawings according to your needs. Each lesson will give you step-by-step instructions on using AutoCAD. They're going to show you different approaches that can be taken to get your work done. There are many ways to work in AutoCAD. There are many ways to draw in AutoCAD. There are many ways to use AutoCAD, and we're going to explore as many of them as we can. These are but a few of the topics that we're going to cover in this series. We're going to go into great detail for each one. With the training that you will get from this video, you will be able to make highly organized two-dimensional drawings in AutoCAD. Good luck, and let's get started.